Hello, my name is Hugo Olaiz, and I'm here with the Reverend Anthony Guillén, who is the Missionero for Latino Hispanic Ministries of the Episcopal Church. We are in a conference in Miami called Hispanicize, and Anthony has kindly invited me to join him, but also a whole team of folks from the Episcopal Church are here. Why did you bring us all to this event?
Because the people that I invited are all innovators. They're all influencers in the use of social media and technology in their own right in their ministries. And in the Episcopal Church, and especially with Latino Hispanic Ministries, our aim is to share the gospel, to proclaim the good news of Jesus in the way that our presiding bishop has called us to be a part of the Jesus movement, to let people know that we have a message of love, a message that boldly says that all are welcome, that God loves all, no exceptions. That message is a message that many Latinos are hungry to hear, and but we don't have not always had the way to make that happen, the resources to get the message out. So through social media and digital resources, electronic resources, we're able to do that. So every year in Hispanicize, I bring a group of a team together that that are people that I see are innovators. They're people that are using technology in their ministries, and like you, and with video. And so here we're energized, we're stimulated, we hear new things, we get demographic information, we get statistics. We are empowered to take what we're learning here and to be evangelists, not just of the gospel, but evangelists of social media. And so I'm really passionate about that.
Do you think Jesus would have a Twitter account today?
That's a great question. I don't know. I can't speak for Jesus, but in terms of Paul, I mean, Paul, wherever Paul went, he learned about the culture of the people before he went and taught.
All right.
So as evangelists, we have to learn the culture. And right now, this is part of this is our culture. And the church, I believe, needs to understand and learn about the culture. And if we're going to reach Latinos, we need to understand the culture. And the culture of the Latino today is in social media. We're connected. So how do we use that? And that's why all of you are here.
I was at a presentation this morning in which I learned that 52% of Generation Y, which I believe are the ones born between 1980 and 1995 in the United States, 52% of them are Latino folks.
That's right. Yeah. So we've got a great opportunity. We've got a great opportunity to reach others, and so we're getting the tools. And our job as part of the team is to share that with the rest of our network, because we're building a network of partners in Latino Hispanic ministry.
Thank you so much, Anthony.
Thank you.
Thank you.